So in this video we're going to finally draw our Zimo kit. Okay, so first of all we're going to select the rectangle tool from here, and as you can see we'll press one time and then we will press at the other time whenever required. Okay, so for example we're going to create a Zimo like this, and then you know what to do, right? We're going to use the okay, let's just use it. Okay, we're going to use the push and pull tool. Okay, we can resize it anytime we want. Okay, so it's kind of like a box. Okay, a little bit like a box. It's our first humanoid version of robot, and then at the end you can choose the face again. So let's draw the head on top of it. So we will choose this face, and then over here you can choose the perspective again to have a better look. Then we can move the face. So for example I'm using this thing. You can even rescale it. Okay, so for example use this over here to rescale. A head should be in like this size, right? Yeah, we can even rescale the other things that we want. So I think this is a perfect square now. Okay, we can even take another perspective like this side wherever we want. Okay, you can see, you can understand how which place the the head should be sitting on. Okay, you can see it from any perspective wherever you want. Now what we want to do is we want to bring it outside a little bit, right? So what we could do is you could move it up. Okay, we went to in the other one. Okay, now you see it's in a different direction, so we can bring on top of it. Okay, so here what we would want to do is we want to bring out the head, okay, from this. Okay, you see how it's another box over there. Now after that what we would do is we would create an hand. Okay, so how do we create a hand? So we go to the rectangle tool again. So kind of something of this size, I would say. Then let's use the move tool again. First of all we'll select the face. If you want to select both of them, press Control and then press the move tool again. Okay, so you can go up and down, and then again you can you cannot bring it out maybe, but we can draw this again. Okay, so let's go back one step and let's draw one of the rectangles again. We need to draw in the green axis, right? So let's say this size, this side should be alright, right? Now what we do is we will pull it out, right? You see, this looks like a perfect hand. I mean, to me, for this robot, it could be a little smaller. You could go and check in different perspective to make it small, to make it big, whatever you prefer. Okay, I mean it depends on you, right? You can understand how things should work. Now remember to move this thing over here. So what we do, we select the whole thing, okay, by triple clicking. Once we triple click, then we can use the move tool. Okay, move tool, so we can move it anywhere we want. We can put it inside, we can put it on top of the head, we can, I mean, you can do whatever you want. Okay, you have the full liberty, you have the full freedom. Now let's try to bring it closer to our hand. Okay, let's not attach it, because as you know, if we will attach them, what will happen is you will attach it. So let's just right click and make a group. Now what we would do is we would try to I'm still using the move tool. Okay, so let's just press undo. Okay, another undo. No, okay, yeah, this should work. Then what we would try to do is we would try to copy the whole face, right click, or you can just say press Control C then Control V, so you have another hand. Okay, so fortunately there's another thing, you know, the boxes that you're seeing right now outside. So what happens is when you have different groups, when you select a particular group, then you will come out with these boxes. Okay, so because for example, think about it, you have the hand on top of the other one. How would you understand which box you're choosing right now, right? That's why this is the thing. So we've created it as a group, right? Now let's make the head a group as well. And let's check first. Yeah, now right click and make group. Okay, and then this body as a group as well. Okay, now what we would like to do is we would want to create a you know, eye over here. So you can zoom in, and once you zoom in, press 1, then press okay, first of all you created the way they give you, then you choose the face. You know what to do, right? You come here, then you choose the scale. Okay, then you would be able to figure out a similar, or there's a better way. You could just copy the other one, right? Let's just delete this one. Okay, sorry, we're still using that tool over here, so we don't want to use that tool. For now, what you want to do is you just want to use a move tool. Okay, and then you come back here, then you select this one, then you select this face or that face. Okay, I think it's a little bit tilted, that's why we can't really reach it, this one. Okay, let's go back one step. We want to get rid of that one because it's not properly sized. So we will select this face, we will press Control C, then we press Control V, then we have the other one, eyes. Okay, so we can place both eyes. Okay, then we can press Control V again to have the mouth, and then we can rescale it. I mean, we have the scaling options, right? So to however you like. Then you come back here and then press the move tool again to move wherever you want. Okay, you see it's kind of nice, right? Now I haven't showed you the circle. Circle is kind of nice. You see wherever you go you will see the axis. The red one is in the red axis, the blue one is in the blue axis. Okay, the green one is not coming here because that's in a different plane, right? So now you can see the green one over here, right? So what we would do is we would try to draw some eyes over here. Okay, so I've zoomed in a little bit. So this is a 2 point, see? So you have your center point and you have your arc. So we will create something like of this size, and now we will try to move it. Okay, oops, the problem with this way is, you know, that would have attached two faces, so that would have been a problem for us. Okay, so this is still fine, and if you want to be in the same line, so you could see there was a arrow that was helping us, right? Okay, so I think this should be alright for now. Let's choose the select tool. Now I've shown you all the tools that we would require for this. Now let's choose the coloring tools. Okay, so how can we color them? So for example, this is the paint bucket that I've shown you. So we would like to choose a different material, right? So what material would you like to choose? So for example, let's search for the materials. Would it be a 3D printing, concrete, or brick, or, you know, different colors? If you don't want colors, let's just shut it down. Then we've got metal, we've got pattern. So it's a robot, so we could go for different types of metal, right? So what would you like to choose? Depends on you. Okay, since I want to make a cardboard robot, so I'll just choose one of these woods. Let's see, how does this one look like? Yeah, this is the one I think I chose for the other one, right? So I've grouped them up. Ooh, I see there's a gap over here. What is this gap? Oh, it looks nice though, right? It does look nice. Okay, let's create another circle over here. Let's move this one a bit here. Let's choose another rectangle. I've chosen that one, and then moving both of them, right? Can you see it? Like how we can move both of these faces. Now they're attached. Now it's inside. Now it's outside. Now it's up, down. Okay. Now it's separated. You see, we need to separate them because, you know, sometimes you can group them together. You can, you know, bring it out together, whatever you prefer. Okay. So it's usually better for you to change the views and see what you're doing. Okay. Sometimes it's good for animations and stuff like that. Okay. You can erase. You can do whatever you want. You can make a unique texture as well. Okay. Oops. I've pressed the move tool. Now let's group them together. Oh, unfortunately, let's see, this two, right click, now I can get the move tool. Okay, so this is how you can create your robot friends. Okay. Alright, this one looks ugly. Let's Control Z. Let's give this one a different texture, like something from the materials. Let's go for some kind of. Should we go for metal or stone? Let's see. Nah, the stones are not that good. Tiles. Let me see how this one looks ugly. Okay, we might have to choose a better one. These ones are not that good. I mean, yeah, not really that good. What should we choose? Let's see. Let's choose something from 3D printing. Yeah, this one looks ugly as well. Yeah, it looks a little bit like a flag. Anyway, this thing doesn't really look nice, so we'll just try to erase it. Yeah. So we've selected it. Can move it. Okay, so guys, this is how we would create our Zimo kit. Okay, so this robot should be coming in really soon, so keep an eye on our website on www.adamarobotics.com to learn more about it. Okay, and I hope this video provided value for you guys. So yes, now make sure to do the assignment on the next lesson. Okay, so draw something similar, and now press the save button over here. So you have to choose a folder, or you can just save it on the. So I'm saving it on SketchUp, and I'll write it down as Zimo 2 over here. And then once you save it, it's going to save as Zimo2.skp. Okay, so this is how you can, you know, work on your Google SketchUp. Okay, so now go and make some amazing designs, amazing you know, textures, amazing 3D designs basically. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day.